Hey, this is a quick summary on the Blueskysea cameras. I've tested them on my motorcycle. Actually, I've been using them now for about a year. They're mounted on the front and the back to support a fixed view. Well, I have to say that I have had my share of challenges using the Blueskysea cameras. But most of the challenges were not due to Blueskysea. In fact, one challenge was in providing adequate current and voltage to the cameras. They take 1.5 amps each at 5 volts. I don't have a car adapter. Actually, they're not made for a motorcycle. But it was cool adapting them. After getting all the particulars worked out, they seem to work most of the time. For a fixed camera, they appear to work okay. That's what we're looking at now. Another challenge was in selecting the correct SIM card. The 32 gig SIM card seems to be about the best. You could put a 64 gig in there, a 128 gig, etc., but I feel that the 32 gig is the one that is most reliable. And in fact, what you do is you just set it in loop mode, and every 5 minutes, let's say it takes a movie, and it's really. You should do a deep format of FAT32 on the SIM card via your PC or using it in the camera, and then in fact do another format in the camera itself. This will assure that that's going to be clean both from the camera standpoint as well as I gather the PC standpoint, but that's been my best results in doing it that way. The next challenge comes with the camera's basic design in that it uses a micro USB connector, and the female side of it, which is on the camera side, basically becomes sort of loose, and male connector that you're trying to plug in will become loose after a while. So you have to be very, very cautious, if you will, as far as jiggling it on occasion and just keeping it steady and not really moving it around. On the car that I use, I never touch that cable, and the camera works all the time. On the motorcycle, I pop out the SIM cards after I take a ride because I like to be able to, download all the recording stuff and take a look at it. And what I do is I'm very careful as far as not touching those cables when they're connected into the cameras, and just gently pop the SIM card out, which is directly adjacent to the cable itself. But all in all, it's most of the time you do have exciting results. What's cool is, if you just want to leave it in dash cam mode, all you got to do is just forget about it until you ever want to get to it, and what have you. It also has, it works like a hotspot when you want to talk to it or to configure it, and via, say, your iPhone, or I guess it's your Android. I don't know anything about Android, but I use an iPhone, and it's got a really cool app that just lets you connect to it, as if you're at a hotspot, and you just dial into it, and that's that. And you can work with it all you want, and then you can actually monitor it. You can actually set it up to monitor in real time on your iPhone if you wish to, but I tried that. It's just I found it very distracting. In terms of vibration, the cameras are pretty steady. The cameras also offer a wide view and are sharp, and of course, as you can see, the color is really cool. Like here on Route 122.